Prime Minister Narendra Modi hosts national flag, delivers his 11th consecutive speech to the nation from Red Fort on occasion of the 78th Independence Day. Manipur joins the 78th Independence Day celebration of India. Chief Minister N. Biren hosts India tricolor at first MR Parade Ground. And overcoming the present turmoil and bringing back peace in the state should be the people's collective responsibility, asserts Chief Minister N. Biren. Hello, you're watching IS English News. I'm Jay Shoinam, giving you the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hoisted the national flag and delivered his 11th consecutive speech to the nation from the Red Fort on the occasion of 78th Independence Day. The theme of this year's celebration, Viksit Bharat at 2047, aims to propel the country towards becoming a developed nation by 2047. The ceremony at the Red Fort began with Prime Minister Modi being received by senior government and military officials, followed by an inspection of the Guard of Honor, which this year was coordinated by the Indian Navy. A symbolic moment followed when the Prime Minister hoisted the national flag, accompanied by a 21-gun salute by this 1,721 field battery using indigenous 105 mm light-filled guns. This year, around 6,000 special guests representing diverse sections of Indian society, including youth, tribal communities, farmers, women, and beneficiaries of various government schemes witnessed the ceremony.
विकसित भारत 2047 वो स्वस्थ भारत भी होना चाहिए और जब स्वस्थ भारत हो तो आज जो बच्चे हैं उनके पोषण पर आज से ही ध्यान देने की जरूरत है और इसलिए हमें विकसित भारत की जो पहली पीढ़ी है उनकी तरफ विशेष ध्यान दे करके हमने पोषण का एक अभियान चला है। हमने राष्ट्रीय पोषण मिशन शुरू किया है। पोषण को हमने प्राथमिकता दी है। मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, हमारी कृषि व्यवस्था को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना बहुत जरूरी है। समय की मांग है। हम सदियों से जिस परंपरा में दबे हुए हैं, जकड़े हुए हैं, उससे मुक्ति पानी होगी और हमारे किसानों को उसके लिए हम मदद भी दे रहे हैं। हम उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म करने की दिशा में लगातार काम करते आए हैं। आज आसान ऋण दे रहे हैं किसानों को, टेक्नोलॉजी की मदद दे रहे हैं। किसान जो पैदावार करता है उसको वैल्यू एडिशन के लिए हम काम कर रहे हैं। उसके लिए मार्केटिंग के लिए पूरा प्रबंध करते हैं ताकि उसको एंड टू एंड हर जगह पे हैंड होल्डिंग की व्यवस्था हो, उस दिशा में हम काम कर रहे हैं।
Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has said that the present turmoil in the state is unfortunate, but overcoming this and bringing back peace in the state should be the people's collective responsibility. He made this statement while attending the 78th Independence Day celebration at the 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground, while stressing that Manipur is not only for the Meiteis or the Nagas or any one community. He said Manipur is for all 34 recognized communities who have been living together since time immemorial. Manipur is like a beautiful garden comprising these recognized communities including Tangkhul, Meitei, Meitei Pangal, Waifei, Paite, Jomi, Mar, Simte, Paumai, Anal, Lamkang, Mao, Maram, among others. Many school students, police and armed personnel, including Arunachal Pradesh IRB personnel, took part in the Independence Day celebration as march past contingents. The Chief Minister also said Independence Day signifies one India, strong India and united India. Reaffirming the government's commitment to bring peace in the state, the Chief Minister said Manipur can be safeguarded from those trying to destabilize the state only when the many communities living together in the state stand united. stating that the present conflict is between those trying to break Manipur and those for united Manipur. The Chief Minister further stressed on the need for people to distance themselves from those trying to mislead people with their political agendas. He said, "It is time for all to stand united against any divisive forces without any political or personal agenda." The Chief Minister also talked of various initiatives taken up for the welfare of the internally displaced persons affected by the unfortunate incident of May 3, 2023, and said that the IDPs are provided shelter at the relief camps and prefabricated houses. He said the IDPs of both affected communities are provided with essential items and that benefits have been provided to 4 lakh beneficiaries under 46 schemes. The benefits of the schemes amounting to around 300 crore rupees are provided to the beneficiaries through direct benefit transfer. N. Biren Singh also talked of 8 new schemes including product catalog, special package to successful startups for employment of IDPs in Manipur, Chief Minister Yarn Scheme, revised comic textbooks and sportsperson livelihood scheme. Meanwhile, as part of the function, the Chief Minister also hoisted the national tricolor flag. Cultural dances were also performed as part of the function. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh also handed over Union Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Police Training for the year 2021-22 to 4 police officers and personnels. The march past was participated by contingents from BSF, CRPF, Combined Manipur Rifles Contingent, Arunachal Pradesh IR Battalion, Combined Civil Police Male Contingents from Imphal East and West District, 9th Indian Reserve Mahila Contingent, Combined Civil Police Female Contingents from Imphal East and West Districts, Manipur Central Jail Home Guard Contingents Male, Combined VDF Contingents from Imphal East and West Districts, Manipur Fire Service, Traffic Police, 14th Battalion SR NCC Boys and Girls, 65th Manipur Girls Battalion NCC, NCC SR Air Wing, Ananda Singh Higher Secondary Academy, CC Higher Secondary School, Iboton Sana Girls Higher Secondary School, Johnston Higher Secondary School, DG Higher Secondary School, and Wangkai High School. A combined band, platoons commanded by 1st Manipur Rifle Jamadar L. Brojen Singh, including CRPF Band, 1st Manipur Rifle Band, 2nd Manipur Rifle Band, 1st IRB Band, Home Guard Band Female, and Imphal West VDF Band. The function was also attended by the Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Thokchom Sektarbatra Singh, Cabinet Ministers, Rajya Sabha MP Maharaj Leisem Basana Jauba, MLAs, Chairperson of various boards and corporations, DGP, top civil and police officials attended the celebration. Marking the 78th Independence Day, the tallest national flag in Northeast India was hoisted at the Indian National Army INA headquarters complex in Moirang, located in Manipur's Bishnupur district. Standing at an impressive height of 165 feet, the flagpole is a proud symbol of India's sovereignty, situated at a site steeped in historical significance. Moirang holds a special place in India's freedom struggle, as it was here in 1944 that the INA, under the leadership of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, first hoisted the tricolour on Indian soil. Highlighting its significance, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh said the unfurling of the tricolour at the historic INA headquarters is a moment of immense pride for the nation. This site is a living reminder of the sacrifices made by the freedom fighters. The Chief Minister also highlighted the restoration efforts at the INA headquarters, ensuring the preservation of the original structure while enhancing its significance. The newly inaugurated design now covers the old building, preserving its legacy while creating a modern landmark. The internally displaced persons IDPs at Moirang Relief Camp marked the 78th Independence Day with a collective Tiranga speech and a heartfelt rendition of the national anthem. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on his X handle stated the significance of the Tiranga pledge, which reflects the commitment to uphold justice, liberty and fraternity. It said the celebration at the relief camp underscores the strength and unity that persists despite the challenges facing them. Leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi has once again urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to visit violence-hit Manipur and encourage both central and state government to work towards a peaceful resolution of the conflict. Speaking on Thursday, Gandhi mentioned his meeting with a group of Manipuri people in Delhi who shared their struggles since ethnic clashes began in the northeastern state. Gandhi posted on X that these individuals spoke about the pain of being separated from loved ones and the toll the conflict has taken on their communities. Concerned for their safety, they requested that their faces not be shown, fearing vengeance. Gandhi highlighted the constant fear that people in Manipur endured and called for reflection on their plight as India celebrates Independence Day. Ethnic violence between the Meitei and Kuki communities has claimed over 200 lives in Manipur since May last year. Gandhi, who visited Manipur last month for the third time since the violence began, reiterated his request for Modi to visit the state to understand the situation and listen to the victims' woes. He emphasized that Congress is ready to support any measures that would improve the situation. Under the initiative of Kangpokpi SP Manoj Prabhakar, the district police organized Tiranga bike rally on 14th August 2024 to welcome the 78th Independence Day celebration. The SP urged the citizens to celebrate Independence Day with collective commitment to nation-building, patriotism, and to spread the message of brotherhood to foster the spirit of love, unity, and live as law-abiding citizens. He also encouraged every citizen to show their love for the nation by hosting the national flag at home in this time of Independence Day celebration. The Tiranga bike rally kicked off from the office compound of Kangpokpi SP and winded up at G. Saparmaina police station with the participation of over 100 police riders with Tiranga on their bikes. The Committee on Tribal Unity (COTU) greeted the nation on the occasion of 78th Independence Day of India. Chairman of COTU, Thanglen Kipjen, in the press release stated that the Kuki-Jo community, while enduring 16 months of unabated violence, 16 months of relentless display of hatred and hostility, 16 months of alleged systematic desecration, democratic institutions, and alleged cruel subjugation on their political exigencies in the region. The community as a patriot Indians will strive for the greater good of the nation, to do good against evil, to advocate truth and detest lies, to maintain decency and civility towards the foe as they stand with their fellow Indians and the Jawans at the northwestern frontier in Jammu and Kashmir, the northern frontier in Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim, and the Jawans in the northeastern regions of Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur and Tripura, who along with the brave Heart Village volunteers protecting lives, homes and villages, who sacrificed lives for the future generations. Thanglen Kipjen further stated that they celebrated the 78th Independence Day in Sadar Hills, Kangpokpi, Churachandpur, Jiribam, Technopal, and Chandil to instill a sense of hope and fulfillment. Churachandpur joins the rest of the country in celebrating 78 years of India's independence. A district-level program was held at Peace Ground, Vibong. Deputy Commissioner of the district, Dharun Kumar, has hoisted the national flag and took the Rashtriya salute as a chief guest from the parade contingents. Churachandpur SDPO Thomas Haukip commanded the 25th March Past the 25 March Past contingents during the event. Speaking on the occasion, Dharun Kumar has paid tribute to the many great freedom fighters who took part in shaping the glorious history of the people, culture and achievements. He announced the setting up of computer center in the district, which is ready for inauguration this month, and online exams for the children can be conducted in the district from this year. Highlighting the achievements and contributions of various departments and offices in the district, the Deputy Commissioner stated that complete blood hierogram have been fitted at PHC Thanlon and CHC Singhat. Scan and Share OPD was launched under e-hospital program. Despite the challenges, the district is housing the highest number of IDPs in total of 93 relief camps compared to other districts. The district administration, with the help of civil societies, has been providing support and assistance in the compassionate management of these camps. He also urged the people to commit to the principle of justice, equality and democracy and ensure that the sacrifices of our forefathers build a Churachandpur that one can be proud of. Other highlights of the program include cultural items from different communities and bamboo dance from the Mar Youth Association HYA. The chief guest also gave away appreciation certificates to 107 government employees, government institutions, individuals and NGOs in recognition of their outstanding and valuable services in public service. Special certificates were also awarded to 10 schools which house IDPs. The district administration also organized a mass pledge-taking ceremony against drug abuse under Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan as part of the program. Churachandpur SP Sheikh Muhammad Jaib Jakir, DLOs, staff of different offices, awardees, ex-civil servants, ex-servicemen, leaders from CSO, philanthropic organizations, NGOs, parents and students attended the event. Before we end, the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hoists national flag, delivers his 11th consecutive speech to the nation from Red Fort on occasion of the 78th Independence Day. Manipur joins the 78th Independence Day celebration of India. Chief Minister N. Bireng hoists Indian tricolor at first MR Parade Ground. And overcoming the present turmoil and bringing back peace in the state should be the people's collective responsibility, asserts Chief Minister N. Bireng. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching IS News.